Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Get Right to Education. Today we will learn class 10 Maths Old Chapter Formulas. So let's start. Chapter 1. HCF into LCM is equals to product of two number. HCF of A and B and LCM of A and B is equals to product of two numbers, that is A into B. Chapter 2. For quadratic polynomials, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, sum of its zeros is equals to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, that is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, and product of its zeros constant term upon coefficient of x square alpha into beta is equals to c by a. For cubic polynomials, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equals to 0, sum of its zeros is equals to alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to c by a. Product of its zeros alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Chapter 3. If a pair of linear equation is given by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, then the line will be coincident and infinite solution and consistent. a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then the line will be intersecting and unique solution consistent. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, then the line will be parallel, no solution and inconsistent. Chapter 4. Standard form of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Two distinct real roots if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Two equal real roots if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. No real roots if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. X is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, provided b square minus 4ac is greater than and equal to 0. Chapter 5. Common difference D can be negative, positive or 0. D is equal to an minus 1. The nth term an of the AP with first term A and common difference D is given by an L A plus n minus 1 into D. The sum of the first n term of an AP S is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. We can also write S is equal to n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into D. S is equals to n by 2 a plus L. Chapter 6. The triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in same ratio. Criteria for similarity of triangle: angle criteria, angle criteria, side criteria, side criteria. Chapter 7. Distance formula is equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Section formula: m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. The midpoint of the line segment joining the points P x1, y1 and Q x2, y2 is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Chapter 8. The trigonometric ratios of the angle A in right triangle ABC are defined as follows. Sine of angle A, side opposite to angle A upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC. Cosine of angle A, side adjacent to angle A upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC. Tangent to angle A, side opposite to angle A upon side adjacent to angle A, BC upon AB. Cosecant of angle A, 1 upon sine of angle A is equal to hypotenuse upon side opposite to angle A is equal to AC upon BC. Secant of angle A, 1 upon cosine of angle A is equal to hypotenuse upon side adjacent to angle A, AC upon BC. Cotangent of angle A, 1 upon tangent of angle A is equal to side adjacent to angle A upon side opposite to angle A, AB upon BC. Angle A 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Sine A 0 degree 0. Sine A 30 degree 1 by 2. Sine A 45 degree 1 by root 2. Sine A 60 degree root 3 by 2. Sine A 90 degree 1. Cos A 0 degree 1. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Cos A 45 degree 1 by root 2. Cos A 60 degree 1 by 2. Cos A 90 degree 0. Tan A 0 degree 0. Tan A 30 degree 1 by root 3. Tan A 45 degree 1. Tan A 60 degree root 3. Tan A 90 degree not defined. Cosec A 0 degree not defined. Cosec A 30 degree 2. Cosec A 60 degree root 2. Cosec A 45 degree root 2. Cosec A 60 degree 2 by root 3. Cosec A 90 degree 1. Sec A 0 degree 1. Sec A 30 degree 2 upon root 3. Sec A 45 degree root 2. Sec A 60 degree 2. Sec A 90 degree not defined. Cot A 0 degree not defined. Cot A 30 degree root 3. Cot A 60 degree 1. Cot A 45 degree 1. Cot A 60 degree 1 by root 3. Cot A 90 degree 0. Trigonometric identity. Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A for 0 degree is less than and equal to A, and angle A is less than 90 degree. Cot square A plus 1 is equals to cosec square A for 0 degree is less than angle A, and less than and equal to 90 degree. Chapter 9, All Formulas. The line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. The angle of elevation of an object viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with horizontal when it is above the horizontal level. The angle of depression of an object viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when it is below the horizontal level. Chapter 10. The tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. The lengths of the two tangents from an external point to a circle are equal. Chapter 11. Length of an arc of a sector with radius r and angle with degree measure theta is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Area of a sector of a circle is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Area of segment of a circle, area of corresponding sector minus area of corresponding triangle. Chapter 12. Cuboid, volume LBH, curved surface area 2HL plus B, total surface area 2LB plus BH plus HL. Cube, volume A cube, curved surface area 4A square, total surface area 6A square. Cylinder, volume pi r square h, curved surface area 2 pi r h, total surface area 2 pi r h plus r. Cone, volume 1 by 3 pi r square h, Curved surface area pi r L. Total surface area 2 pi r L plus r. Sphere. Volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. Curved surface area 4 pi r square. Total surface area 4 pi r square. Hemisphere. Volume 2 by 3 pi r cube. Curved surface area 2 pi r square. Total surface area 3 pi r square. Chapter 13. The mean for group data can be found by the direct method. X bar is equals to summation fi xi upon summation fi. The assumed mean method. X bar is equals to a plus summation fi di upon summation fi. The step deviation method. X bar is equals to a plus summation fi ui upon summation fi into h. The mode for group data can be found by mod z is equals to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. The median for group data is formed by median m is equals to L plus n by 2 minus cf upon f into h. There is an empirical relationship between the three measures of central tendency. 3 median is equals to mode plus 2 mean. Chapter 14. Probability of an event is equals to number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. The probability of a sure event is 1. The probability of an impossible event is 0. Probability of event is greater than 0 and equal to 0 and less than 1 and equal to 1. Probability of an event plus probability of not an event is equal to 1, where E bar stands for not E. Thank you. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. And the PDF of these formulas will be given in the description.